Hey guys, it's Misty with My Teen Homeschool Academy, and I wanted to show you around the parent portal. So on your overview page, you're going to see your active students. If you have more than one, you can go to manage students here, or you can go on the left-hand side. This is just an overview of their grades, certificates earned, and that kind of thing, their current GPA. You can go down to attendance, and you can log their attendance. And all you would do is put the date in and then log the day. And if they're out of school, you can say field trip, sick, or whatnot. Then you click over to your grade. Oh, and you can choose between students here if you have more than one child in your family. Then you go to the left-hand side, you go to Gradebook, and this is going to be their grades after they do some of their things, their items, certificates. Once they finished a course and complete it, then you can issue them a certificate. All right, courses here. This shows all the courses that's available by grades and then by electives or whatnot. So you can do that as well. Just to view them, you go to your student portal, and here you would go over to courses and hit the down facing arrow, and you can just click on which ones that you want them to take, or you can hit the pencil and you can select the grade, and then you can auto assign, and that would do the core classes. Okay, and then you've got where this little arrow here is to reset their attendance and grades. If you wanted to start over, you can deactivate or you can delete. All right, the answer key section. So in their units, they have worksheets, and I'll make another video for that. So these are the answer keys that go with those worksheets, and it's by, course. So you can just go and find which one you want to look at, and you can download them, and then you can grade their papers from there. All right, the tutorial section is where these videos are going to live. And then we got an ID card. If you wanted to make an ID card, you just hit up the photo, and you would go find, it's just taking a minute, and then you could find a photo, and then you could hit open, and then after it's filled out, then you can download and laminate this card for your parent ID and or teacher ID and student IDs. Here, store is going to be available soon with like books and materials and odd and ends like merch and t-shirts and that kind of thing. Then we got your support button here. If you have a technical issue, you can send this in, and then you can track your tickets here. And then we have settings, just basic settings showing your email, your name. You can reset your password and school information. And then if you go to the parent account, you can click on, I think you have to do it up here on the right hand corner, and go to account settings. And my computer is being very slow, so I apologize. It is not wanting to load, but I'll get that when you can check your subscription and your dates and all that. So that is pretty much the overview of the parent portal. And if you have any questions, please let me know, or you can send in a support ticket as well after you sign up for an account. All right, thanks, guys.